So standing again, looking down at your feet, making sure that you have this parallel arrangement of the feet, hip width distance apart, running up through the knees and the hips, nice and loose in the shoulders, chin tucked back towards the throat. And close your eyes. The tongue is resting against the roof of the mouth, tip of the tongue resting against the back of the upper teeth, and the chin is pulled back towards the throat, lovely length in the back of the neck, and smiling. Now with the eyes closed, again, just bring your mind into the lower belly. So as you breathe in, feel the belly expand as though you're blowing up an imaginary balloon. And then as you breathe out, what I'd like you to do is feel the belly shrinking. And as it shrinks, see the breath in your mind's eye going down the legs, all the way down into the feet and into the ground. So breathing in, feeling the belly expand, and breathing out, exhaling down and out through the feet. So see the breath, almost like a jet of steam coming out the soles of your feet and going into the ground. So this is a lovely breathing exercise using your mind. You're not really moving, so it's perfect for when you're in a queue. Nobody will know that you're doing this. And you can do it with your eyes open or closed, so it makes no difference. I think perhaps with your eyes closed to begin with until you get used to this idea of exhaling down through the soles of the feet. So just a few more rounds of that in your own time. Really feeling the connection of the soles of the feet with the ground. The ground is holding you up. Feeling balanced and grounded. And as you're exhaling down through the feet, don't be tempted to let your body slump forwards, because we're thinking of sinking. We don't want the upper body to sink. We really only want to sink everything from the hips downwards. So keeping the neck nice and long, shoulders relaxed. And now bringing your mind back to your lower belly. So breathing in, feel the belly expand. And now just breathing out normally, just seeing the breath coming back up through the center of the chest and exhaling out through the nostrils, using a normal abdominal breath. And keeping this nice relaxed posture and breathing, gently open the eyes so you can see me. And we're going to move through next from the head all the way down into the toes. And as we do this, it's a little body scan. We're going to scan down, identify any areas of tension. And once you've done that, we're going to then come back to those areas of tension, coming from the top down through the body in your own time. And as you relax, as you feel the areas of tension, as you identify them, you're going to breathe out and imagine, say you've got tension in the shoulder or the top of the arm here. You're going to imagine that area relaxing, but not only relaxing, but expanding in all directions. So up and down, sideways, back and front. So seeing that area relaxing, softening and dissolving. So I'm going to talk you through the first part, and then I'm going to leave you to work with your own individual areas of tension for a few minutes. So firstly, closing the eyes and bring your mind to the very top of your head. Breathing normally in and out, using your abdominal breath. So from the top of the head, scan down through the face, through the back of the head, sides of the head, past the ears, all the way down, into the neck, back and front, and sides of the neck. And then into the shoulders, running down through both arms, paying attention to any areas of tension, stiffness, soreness that you might feel, down towards the elbows, into the forearms, wrists, hands and fingers. And then from the chest, down through the front of the body and down through the back of the body, the upper back and the chest area, scanning down through the abdomen and through the lower back, down towards the buttocks and the hips, into the thighs, front and back, and sides of the legs, down into the knees, through the calves and the shins, to the ankles, to the soles of the feet, tops of the feet, into all the toes. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your mind back to the top of your head. Now, in your own time, slowly work down through the body, just like you did then, identifying any areas of tension. And each time you exhale, think of that area relaxing and expanding in all directions, softening and dissolving. And you can spend as many breaths as you want, relaxing that area. And then once you feel the tension has eased a little bit, maybe move on to the next area. If you have no tension at all and your body feels completely relaxed right now, you don't feel any areas of difficulty or discomfort, then just scan down through the whole body and just relax and expand all of those different body parts as you go down, as a general relaxation. So beginning now, and I'll give you a few minutes to work with that, starting at the head. And we'll do this in silence. And if you're not quite there yet, just moving the mind gently down towards the soles of the feet. And then bringing the mind back into the lower abdomen, placing one hand flat over the lower belly, the other hand directly over that, keeping the eyes closed. And And to finish, just circling by giving your belly a little rub in one direction and then in the other, to seal in all the lovely chi or energy you've been working with. Still with the eyes closed, bring the hands together in front of you and rub them until they get really, really hot. Feel that warmth in the palms of the hands. And then placing one palm over each eye, fingers facing up towards the ceiling. Feeling the warmth from the palms of your hands, traveling through the eyes, out the back of the eyes, to nourish the mind. And then gently bringing yourself back into the room by rubbing your face, a little face wash, face massage, as you gently open the eyes. And allow the hands just to come back down by your sides.